What is up, guys? How's it going, traders? Welcome to another crypto emergency meeting. We finally got to this strong resistance level. I currently marked this level a few days ago, saying we needed to come here for a possible rejection to the downside. That's because if you pull your fib, if I pull my fib from this region where the downward move started to the swing low right here, you'd see that we just had a retrace to the 0.5 0.618 region, which is more like the discount zone where you could load up. So all of these areas here is the discount zone, and that's where we've just touched. So sellers are beginning to come in, and if you look at this the daily time frame where I'm currently I marked out a Monday range, meaning when a day candle closes, you mark the bottom and the top of the range, and then if you see a fall back into the range, it means we're going to at the bottom. But it's not that simple, but that's just the logic behind it, because there's liquidity, there's structure, there's traps that the market maker, the algorithm is going to be setting for you. So you have to take note of that. It's not just selling the top and buying the bottom. Here's what I mean. If you look at the 1 hour market structure, you'll see that on this level there are 3 consecutive candles, really strong level, and this level pushed up this way to liquidate this high. Now it has fallen back down. What I think is going to happen next is that New York, the market is going to continue to hover around this place for a while, and then maybe when New York opens, it's going to push it down this way, and people are going to get excited thinking, oh, the bottom is in, we've just broken this level, we're having a market structure shift, and that's when the market is going to start pumping. It comes here, maybe we have a week downwards, and then close back in this way, and guess what, we're going up, because this resistance is a large resistance. So from anywhere from 74,000 to about $8,000, Bitcoin can still go up, can even go as high as this level right here, which is the $84,000. Or as some other traders might think, because there was no 50% retrace here, that this level is also part of the resistance. So which means that Bitcoin can go as high as $88,000 or $92,000. But we'll take it as it comes, one step at a time. So for that reason, personally, I'm not taking any trades right now. I took a short between last night and this morning, and I already closed that short on Sui. I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. So what I'm looking out for right now is for New York Open. I'm expecting a sell on New York Open, which is going to make the market look like there's a change in structure, because the market is going to come down to this region right here. Market is going to come down here, and before you know it, it goes back up and takes out this high, maybe, or it comes back 50. When it comes here, it comes back 50, anywhere around here. So let me clean this all out so that it's clearer. Guys, by the way, do me a favor, smooch that like button, guys. That's all I ask. Smooch that like button. Take out your biggest thumb and smooch that like button. So here's what I'm saying. The market is going to hover around this place for the time being, and eventually when New York opens, it's going to come down. It doesn't necessarily have to come down to the Monday's low, but it's going to come down to this region right here, anywhere around here, just to create like an inducement and make it feel like the structure is breaking. And when that happens, traders are going to be taking sell trades, and guess what, it's going to go back up. So if it comes back up 50 this way and then have another break, then it's confirmed that the structure has shifted. So this is going to be a very good level for entry. Entry number 1, or it comes back this way, takes out this liquidity here, this fair value gap right here holds it a little bit, and then it continues to go up, meaning it's going to take out this guy too. So if this happens, that means this was just a trap. And then by the time it takes out this guy, if we see a fallback this way and then like this, then we know the reversal is in. I'm gonna take it one step at a time and take advantage of every move in the market. So if I go to other pairs, SUI, this was the pair I traded. I took a short here when I saw this. I knew it was going to come back here. I traded this on Asia, so I took that short and it gave me about 3%. That closed it completely because I know we need to see a pushback this way on BTC, and it's going to affect every other coin in the crypto market. So I've closed this short already. AIXBT, same thing. Tau seems to be one of the strongest coin right now. So by the time the signal for a long comes, I'm going to be longing this guy because it's very, very strong. If I go to the daily time frame, you see how far it has come, almost like in a straight line. Let's see how many percent it does give in. Goodness me, 71%. If I bring it here, 60%. Crazy. I'm moving almost like a shit coin. Uni not so strong. It's gonna be a very good short when the time comes. It's gonna be a very good short. How many percent does it give in? Okay, almost like SUI. Sol also gonna be a very good short. H bar also gonna be a very good short. By the way, I just put this here, didn't take this trade, was just monitoring it. But BTC is the ultimate. Whatever BTC does, we do. And then USDT, let me see where USDT is currently. Okay, it's currently reacting to this demand zone right here. So this is a demand zone for USDT. So that's about it, guys. Just wanted to bring you up to speed and possible trades. So I'm looking out for a short, and when that happens, I'm going to be taking that trade. Lastly, I want to tell you about 1 hour market structure shift. So if you look at this trade, before the reversal to the upside came, what we needed to see as a confirmation was a break of this level, this right here. So the moment we had this break, which was a 1 hour market structure shift, here's what I mean. Look at these levels that caused this dip. By the time we reclaimed this level and closed above, that signified a change in trend. And since then, this particular market has gone, since this level, it has gone 11% on BTC. 11% on BTC. On Tau, we had the same move. The moment it closed above that region, that was the signal that the market has changed. So this was the move right here. Retrace, and then since then on Tau, see how high we've gone. 55%. So what that means is, if we're going to see a reversal, I want to see another strong 1 hour market structure shift to the downside. And what that means is that we're going to need 3 consecutive down candles. For example, this level right here, If we see a break of this level, that's a full reversal. Also, this level also has 1 2 3. Okay, this level also has it too. So if we see a break of this level, it's another strong indication. If we see a break of this level, something like this, we know the market might range here a bit and then eventually take out this low. So by the time any of these scenarios plays out, it will be time to sell the market. But until then, I will just be observing and watching what BTC does. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.